No, no, Miss Todd. I don't like fish curry ice creams. Yeah. It's just reading day today. Actually, it's Tuesday. It's Maths Day! Yeah!
Today's lesson is algebra using number sentences and the inverse operations.
In this lesson, we look at completing number sentences. To solve these problems, we will very often use the opposite operation, otherwise known as the inverse operation. Let's look at some examples. We're asked to complete the number sentence for each. In part A, we have 5 plus something equals 8. Now, these ones are actually quite simple. You can do them in your head quite often, but I'm going to show you a method such that when you get to some harder ones, you'll know what to do. Start with the end result. The answer is 8. And we've got plus 5. Well, the opposite of plus 5 will be to minus 5. So let's write 8 minus 5 there in our working. We work 8 minus 5 out, we get 3. So let's put 3 in the box there. Well, now once we do that, we'll just check to see whether it's right. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Well, that's true. So we have got a correct number sentence now. The next one. 2 times something equals 16. Again, let's start with our end result, 16. And the times 2, the opposite of times, is divide. So let's think 16 divided by 2. We work that out, we get 8. So let's put 8 in our box there. Now, it's no good just writing an answer and then forgetting about it. We need to check the answer. So here we go. 2 times 8 equals 16. Well, yes, that is true. Excellent. The next one. Something minus 9 equals 6. All right, so we're finishing up with 6. So let's start with that. Do the opposite. Minus, opposite of minus, is plus 9. So we'll have 6 plus 9. We work that out and we get 15. Now let's see whether that's true. 15 minus 9 equals 6. Yes, it is true. The next one. Something divided by 8 equals 5. So let's start with our end result, the 5. The opposite of divide will be times, and then we have 8. So we're going to be thinking 5 times 8. And we think about that, 5 times 8 is 40. So let's put 40 there. Now let's see whether we've got it right. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. Again, we've got it right. Well done. Next couple of examples. 12 minus something equals 8. Now let's go through the same process as before. There's the 8. Opposite of minus will be plus, and then we have 12. So let's think 8 plus 12. Now 8 plus 12 is 20. So let's put 20 in our box. Now let's see whether this is right. 12 minus 20 equals 8. Well, it's not. It's actually minus 8. You might not know about negative numbers yet. That's okay, but certainly 12 minus 20 is not 8. So that is wrong. So when that's the case, let's just put a line through that little bit of working. That didn't work. When that's the case, let's just try this. 12 minus 8 in that order. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Let's put 4 in the box, and let's see whether that works. 12 minus 4 equals 8. Yes. Well done. The next one, 28 divided by something equals 4. Again, like I said before, you actually may know the answer straight away. If you do so, that's great. But let's go through the process. That's the end result, 4. Opposite of divide is times 28. So we're thinking 4 times 28. Now we worked that out. It's not an easy one to work out. You might need to separately get a pen and paper and figure it out. But we get 112 for that. Now looking back here, 28 divided by 112, does that equal 4? Well, no, it doesn't. It doesn't. So let's just cross that little bit of working out. When this is the case, what we're going to do is just work from left to right. What I've highlighted there, 28 divided by 4. And 28 divided by 4 is 7, so let's put 7 in that box. And let's think now, does 28 divide by 7 equal to 4? Yes, it does. Excellent. Well, that concludes the lesson. Good luck with your questions.
Oh, hey, bro. You look a little familiar. Yeah, so do you. Can't quite place it though. Anyway, later.